back to our second session of our Zoom ABCs of Cooking class. This is my daughter Ellie, and I'm Sarah. I'm the program director for Reed Muskegon. We're here to cook chicken pasta salad with you. It's kind of a mix of the normal chicken salad. I know you want to eat that. Of the normal chicken salad you'd see at a restaurant, and then a pasta salad. I hope you enjoy. 1 second, I need a spoon. Okay, and as you heard, my daughter is very excited to start eating this. So, Ellie, first things first, the ingredients are sour cream, mayonnaise or Cool Whip, pepper, salt. I'm adding garlic. You don't need to. I just really like garlic. Cut celery, cut grapes, and a can of chicken. I'm going to take some out at the end because I don't want to eat the chicken. I would rather eat tuna in mine, so I'm going to take some out for me to put tuna in. It's great when you do things like this because you can kind of make it to what your family likes and add things and take away things that they may not like. Okay, I don't think you're going to like that plain. You can try.
I like it.
You do like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, my child likes plain noodles. All right, Ellie, do you want to dump this in?
Okay.
What are these?
Grapes.
Grapes. What makes the G sound? Who makes the G sound? Who makes the G sound? G. 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 Ellie, who says G? G. G. Hey, Ellie, can you look at me? Who says G? G.
Gorilla.
Gordo Gorilla. Do you want to do that with me? Ready? Okay, ready, Ellie? Can you do this with me? G. 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 No? Okay, well, the rest of the family wants to eat some too, so we're going to wait a second. Okay. Can you add the celery?
Celery.
Good job. Do you like celery?
No, I don't.
You don't like celery? Okay. It's probably a true statement. All right. And now we're going to add some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Ellie, we're adding ingredients. Who says the ah sound? Who says?
Alligator.
Allie Alligator says ah. Can you do the Allie Alligator movement?
I want to eat it.
I know you want to eat it. Can you do the Allie Alligator movement?
My teeth.
Can you do it? Good job. She did it very small. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the Allie Alligator movement is ah, like an alligator. All right, do you want to help me stir? Good job.
It's too tight.
Oh, I'm sorry. Was I holding your hand too tight? Thank you for using your words. Okay.
I want to eat it because I want to eat it because there's got mayonnaise on it.
You want to eat it because there's mayonnaise in it?
Yes.
Do you like mayonnaise, Ellie?
Yes.
Yeah. She gets that from her dad.
I want to eat it because there's got mayonnaise.
Yeah.
I want to eat it because it got mayonnaise.
Okay, we're almost ready for you to try it again. Do you want to help me add some sour cream?
Yes, I do.
I'm going to get a different spoon.
I want this.
Oh, hold on. My giant dog's in the video too. Go, Luna. Hey, go. Thank you, family. Okay. Is that a fun noise?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Want to stir it?
Yes.
Okay. Try to help?
No, I got it.
You got it? Okay. So what you learn cooking with kids is they are extremely messy, and it doesn't matter how clean your kitchen was when you started. You're going to need to clean it when you're done.
Mayonnaise.
You do like mayonnaise. You like sour cream.
Yes.
We just put sour cream in here too.
And
Donuts,
mayonnaise.
okay. And mayonnaise.
I don't like that and that.
Oh, you don't like those things? Okay. Do you want to help me turn this? Do you remember how to do this?
Yes.
But do it over the bowl, please. Do I help?
No. I do need help.
You do need help? Thanks for telling me that. Ready? Close. You twist the top, okay? You can always use normal iodized salt.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't like it.
You don't like salt? Alright, want to dump this in? It's garlic pepper. You like garlic.
I do like garlic.
You do like garlic. Alright, ready? We're almost ready for the chicken, which means Mom is going to take out some for herself now to add tuna to later. Does that sound good? Yeah. Ellie, trying to think of another zoophonics letter. Ellie, who makes the d, d, d sound? Who does d, d, d? Whew. Sorry, I have really bad allergies and there's lots of pepper in here. Ellie, who does the d, d, d sound? Who does this? D, d. D, d, d or does d, d, d? Can you do the d, d, d sound, please?
No.
You don't want to do it? There you go. Good job. Okay, Ellie, Mommy's going to take some out so Mommy can add tuna into it. Ellie, what other word starts with d, d, d? Does dad or mom start with d? Dad. Good job. I'm using the spoon.
That's Daddy.
That is your daddy right there, isn't it? Hello, Daddy. He's gonna what? He's gonna get?
Yeah.
He's gonna get what? Ready?
Go to get it.
He's gonna get a gordo gorilla. All right.
I like that.
You like chicken? I know you do. All right. Well, we are going to have a taste now.
I want to taste that.
You want to taste it? Okay, do you want some grape in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put all of it together. Don't worry, I got some mayonnaise in it, okay? Wanna try it? Is it delicious? Like D-D-dear? Do you like it? Yeah? Alright, well that's all we have for you today, guys. We'll see you back next week for a new recipe and some more zoophonics characters. Can you say bye?
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.